Hello everyone, welcome to our video session. So today in our video, let's do some interesting drawing works. Here I've drawn the feathers and the wings and the eyes, nose. Here's the butterfly that has been drawn. Let's put some shades with blue color. So an hand has been drawn. Let's draw the corn. His vertical lines has been drawn in horizontal and vertical lines. Let's put some shades for the green leaves and then yellow color for the corn. A head has been drawn, a body and the eyes and the lips, and then the shape is being drawn. Let's draw the outer part of the animal and the legs is being drawn. Put some shades with the blue color and the green color. So a circle and then eyes and the nose and the body is being drawn. Let's draw the wings and the shape is being drawn and the hands and the legs is being drawn. Put some shades with blue and the yellow color. I've drawn the shape of the fan. And then combine together in a triangle shape. Draw the door, a window, and then again a window is being drawn. Let's draw the gate next to the houses. And then the way is being drawn. Put some shades with green, yellow, and the red color. And then a circle is being drawn and eyes, nose and the back tail is being drawn. Blue and the purple color is being shaded. So next a circle and inside two boxes is being drawn like a window shape. Top layer is being drawn into a fan shape. Here I'm drawing an helicopter and then the back part of the wheels is being drawn. Put some shades with blue and the red color. Same way a fan type is being drawn. Let's draw the triangle and the boxes. Here an house is being drawn and then the clouds next to the trees, plants is being drawn and the clouds that is being drawn. So let's draw the sun, shade them with pink, yellow and the green color. So next a circle is being drawn, ears and the eyes and the nose and the lips. Shade them with a black sketch, a leg and then the hand is being drawn. So shade with the pink color and the grey color is being shaded. Here's a pussycat that is being drawn and the shaded. So let's draw the mustache for it. Shade them. A circle is being drawn, again one more circle and then another circle is being drawn in a part. Shade them with different colors. A big cloud shape is being drawn and here a tulip, a flower is being drawn with the leaves and shaded with leaves with green and the flowers with the pink color. So let's use two ants and draw the shape. Join them, the two ants, and it looks like a gloves. Shade them with the orange color and again with the orange. And then a circle is being drawn. So an eyes and the hairs and the nose is being drawn and the t-shirts and the hand is being drawn. A pant is being created. Shade them with blue and the yellow color. Let's draw another tortoise animal that is being drawn. A shell top view is being created. Shade them with pink and the blue color and yellow color. Let's draw the eyes, eyebrows, eyelashes, ears, and then the crown, the body, the bow. So here a frock, completely frock is being drawn. Here a princess that is being drawn. So hand is being drawn holding a frock. Let's draw the hairs. Shade them with the different colors of the frock and the girl.